Today we'll talk about how can you fix that problem you have on your OfferUp. So all you have to do, just click here on settings. So then it's going to take you to this list here. Then you just go down here. So you keep going down. Then you click here on apps. Then here can you looking for apps here. Or you're looking here for OfferUps here. And you just click here on search, then add here OfferUp, then you click on it. So then it's going to show for you like this. Click here on for stop, click here on OK. So then you go down, click here on storage, then you click here on clear cache. Then all you have to do, so you just go to your Play Store, click here on Play Store here. Then you search here for OfferUp. It's going to show for you like this. You will find here update, click on it, and it's going to fix with you. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking and subscribe.